Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, September 3rd, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years now. I've been working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's my true passion to help other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, we have some very exciting news. Silver has hit $41 an ounce, okay? And actually, around 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time this morning, which was only about 15 minutes ago, it was at $41.63. Okay, so it's continuing to go up. It's a great time to start stacking silver, and I'm going to tell you why this matters for everyday people. Okay, so we all know that silver has been used as a currency for thousands of years. Okay, in all of its time, it's never reached zero. It's never gone down in value. It's always continued to go up. Okay, there was a time in 1980 maybe, or the early 80s, when it hit $50, and that was due to some market manipulation. And then I believe there was a little bit, maybe in 2011 or so, it reached up to that high again. But it's been hovering, in the 30s, 20s, 30s, and it's finally gone back over $41 now. So there's just no better time to start stacking silver, because it's going to continue to go up, right? We know that when something is in demand and there's only a limited supply of it, it drives the price up. And more people are starting to wake up and see the value of silver. So it's causing an increase in demand, which is moving the price of it up, okay? And we know that there's many states now that have passed legislation where it's going to be legal currency. I think there's like 11 or 12 states currently, and I think by next year there's going to be like 23 states or something. And I think there's 5 states that already allow silver to be used as currency. All right, I could be wrong. I'm not an expert on any of this, so do your own due diligence, but I'm just trying to remember what I was reading. But basically, inflation and shaky markets are waking people up, right? And they're starting to see the real value in silver, because it's a real tangible asset that you're going to exchange your fiat money for, right? Money that's backed by absolutely nothing, and you're going to get something in return that is real value, all right? Liquid value that you can actually go and turn in and get the amount of money that it's really worth, right? Because our dollar bill is continuously being devalued. The more money the government prints, the more devalued it is. So there's no better time to start stacking silver, okay? It's just something that you're going to want to have on hand, because, like I said, all these states are they're working on legislation that's going to make it an accepted currency here within the next year or so. And why not get in right now? All right, I've seen some experts say it's going to hit over $50 before the end of the year. I've seen some experts claim that it could be in triple digits. All right, we don't know. But we know that, gold used to be $250 an ounce, right? And now it's like $3,500 an ounce. So why not have it in, as part of your investment portfolio? Something that's real, tangible, and actually has some worth. Right? It has real value. So now's the time to start. I was really excited when I saw that it hit $41. I started buying silver a few years back, and it was down in the 20s. So, it's a safe place to put your money. It's a hedge against inflation, and you're never going to lose your money. It might dip back down, but trends show that it's on a continuous upward trajectory, and it's going to continue to do that. So what I'm doing, I'm using Quicksilver, Wealth Accelerated. It's a company out of Florida where you can become a preferred customer and get membership pricing, and have it, we call it auto wealth delivery, have it set up so that every single month you have whatever you select shipped right to your door, and you don't even have to think about it, right? It's kind of like having money taken out of your paycheck and automatically put into your 401k, right? You just set it and forget it. So that every month you have an auto shipment of silver coming to your door. right? They also have a business opportunity where you can join as a wealth ambassador and share the opportunity with others and earn commissions, whether it be from a customer who purchases out of your silver and gold shop or somebody who joins you as a wealth ambassador. You can earn commissions and residual income from referring the opportunity to other people, or just referring your store to other people and having customers come in and join and purchase silver and gold from you, right? It's a no-brainer. It's a really great opportunity. Out of all the years that I've been doing marketing, this is my favorite because it's something that has real value. You're getting a real product. Regardless of if you refer anybody to the opportunity or not, you're building your investment portfolio. All right, because every month you're having silver and gold, if that's what you choose, sent to your doorstep. And we even have fractional silver and fractional gold. So anybody can get started with this, and you can get a shipment sent to your door for under $10 a month. All right, for 1/10 of an ounce of silver. So it's just a great opportunity. Like I said, there's no better time than now to start stacking silver, because just like I said, I'm not an expert, but based on the research I've been doing and the experts I've been listening to, silver is going to skyrocket here, and we're already seeing it. We're already seeing this. All right, it just continues to go up. It's going to continue to go up, and it's something good to have on hand too, because we never know what's going to happen to our monetary system. The dollar bill is just about collapsed, and we just never know. So it's good. We have like little trading metal cards where you can get a quarter grain of gold and a grain of silver, right? So if something ever did happen to the monetary system, or God forbids, something tragic happens in this country and you need to barter, you need a little bit of, something to trade for some bread or water, or who knows, we have these little trading metal cards, and the company does everything right. They're insured. They buy from mint companies, right? So, and they do everything under surveillance. So even when they're packaging up your orders, it's all done under surveillance. So it's nothing to worry about. They've been around since 2019, and they continue to bring value and add things to make everything better for all of us who are already in the opportunity or already a customer and purchasing silver and gold. It really doesn't get any better. So you can get a free silver bar just for checking out our opportunity by going to silverstackingempire.com. All right, silverstackingempire.com. Let me just show you here. silverstackingempire.com. All right, now if you join me and become a wealth ambassador, I'm going to send you my resource page. It has over 80 different places where you can share the opportunity with other people. You'll get my letter template that I use in all of my mailings. Look, I got another stack going out today. And you'll be able to contact me whenever you have questions or need assistance. I'll be here to help you out, all right? So reach out to me if you have any questions. But again, this is now is the time, regardless of if you're in the work from home space or not. It's a good time to start stacking silver, because this is it's just going to continue to go up, right? So get it while there's plenty of silver still around, and while it's still affordable for everybody. Now's the time to get it, okay? And like I said, reach out if you have any questions. I'm here to help you out. And if you want to become a wealth ambassador and start your own precious metals business, I'd love to work with you and have you on the team. Our team is growing like crazy right now. And I'm just going to continue sharing this opportunity with everybody. I have customers and wealth ambassadors signing up regularly because they're taking the tour. They're seeing the value in this. They're seeing that it's not a BS company, that it's something that you can be proud of. And on top of that, the company takes part of their profits and they feed starving children, right? So it's a win-win for everybody. And now's a time where everybody can get in at affordable prices before it goes up, because it's just going to continue to go up. So if you have a pile of silver now, it's going to be worth a lot in the very near future, okay? So with that being said, I hope you have a great day wherever you are. If you find value in any of my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And share this with others. You know, it might not be something that interests you, but you might know somebody who, you know, would like to start stacking silver. They might be looking for a side hustle where they can earn additional monthly income and even job replacing income if they take action and show up every day and stay consistent, all right? I can't guarantee anything because it's all dependent on your work ethic, but the people that join me and take action, they do well, okay? So with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.